I am Chef Smith from Heaven's Healthy Kitchen, and this is Speak from the Seat. And so today we're going to talk about misconceptions. And I think the number one misconception about eating healthy is that you can't get enough protein from just eating plants and vegetables and fruit. That's crazy talk. Let me explain. The reason why people say you get your protein from meat, that's not false. But to say that you get the most protein from animals is false. So, the protein that you do get from animals, you're getting it secondhand. So, the animal eats protein. That's how when you eat the animal has protein in it. So basically, protein comes from seeds, it comes from beans. You can find it in other things, but the main things is seeds and beans. Soy has a ton of protein. Matter of fact, the Chicken Savior gives you your daily protein for male and female. And this is a shameless plug. And when you purchase, this is a commercial, when you purchase Eat to Live and Live Well cookbook, you get a free protein bookmark. If I can take this out, I don't know why it's not coming up. A protein bookmark, which tells you how much protein a male should have and how much protein a female should consume every day. For women, 46 grams per day. For men, 56 grams per day. So the Chicken Savior sandwich, fajitas, sliders, male and female can get their daily amount just by one sandwich. And so protein is up there for the misconceptions that you have to eat meat to get protein. That is false. You get the most protein from beans. So beans, nuts, mainly beans, but nuts and seeds also. That's all I get, y'all. And as always, I say eat to live and live what? Live well.